What's on the bird? Right, it's carrying something, guys. Wow, come on. Oh, what's this? We want to know. Right, guys, can somebody come in, please? This is our ring bearer. Would you believe it, guys? Right, we all want to listen to this, don't we? Just a minute, young man. Just you hang on a minute, young man. Here. Come here. She's no idea, this beautiful doll in here either. Right, just say 1, 2.
1, 2.
That's it, say in English. Right, thank you. Well done. On your knees, lads, come on.
I will. Babe, it's all of me, it's all of you. All your curves, and all your edges, and all your perfect imperfections. So if you give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. And I do. Love you, madly.
She said yes.
Brilliant. Me next. Well done there, matey. But I'm sadly got to have the mic back now. I'll get back to you.